Hello everybody, it's great to see you all today. Charlene here with a makeup tutorial featuring a wonderful colorful palette that I talked about just briefly in my last video. It's called the Ucanbe Spotlight palette, and this is found on Amazon. It's an amazing high quality, high pigmented, colorful palette that's affordably priced, which I do highly recommend it. This is the colors, and this is what we'll be using today for our look. It's amazing. It really is a nice, colorful palette. Great for the springtime. Okay, so let's get started. I think today we'll start with Complexion. I have a beauty blender that I'll be using. But before I prep the skin, I have no makeup on right now. I used my Dr. Denise Hydra Shield to prep the skin, and then I used a moisturizer. This is like a serum. It's amazing. I highly recommend it. And then I used the Bare Minerals Bare Haven Essential Moisturizing Soft Cream. It's a lovely lightweight moisturizer that works good under makeup. But I will also be adding a sunscreen. And my favorite sunscreen right now is the new Super Goop Glow Screen. It adds a wonderful glow to the skin and, of course, an SPF 40 sun protection. So let's put some of that on now. It's really important to put sunscreen on so that you don't, have problems with, and it's okay to, I think, to be generous with sunscreen. And this is an amazing sunscreen because this one sits beautifully under makeup, and not all sunscreens do. And I found that even though I have sensitive eyes, it doesn't sting my eyes. It's just a wonderful product. I do highly recommend it, especially if you have dry skin and would like a glow underneath your makeup. And now let's put a little on the neck as well. A little bit on the neck to keep the sun from, I have a little mess I got on Forever 21 with little gold hearts. Okay, so that's good. Let that sit for a minute. It's nice that's on. The makeup we'll be using today will be my Dermablend. Dermablend Professional Cover Cream. It's a wonderful makeup. It has an SPF of 30, so it has an SPF, but it's okay to double up on that, especially in the summertime. But this is a matte foundation, but with the glow screen, it should be a little bit glowier. It's a wonderful product. And what I do is, I know it's not the most sanitary thing, but I take it and I just put my beauty blender right inside, and I start to apply it to the face. It's a wonderful color. My color is Sand Beige. I highly recommend this because it's amazing. It really, the finish of it is extraordinary, and it doesn't accentuate texture. It's medium to full coverage foundation, but it can easily be built to a full coverage. Okay, now some concealer. Today we'll be using, my usual is the Lancome Effervescence Waterproof Concealer in the color Fair. Lancome Effervescence Waterproof Anti-Aging Concealer. So that's really good. I really love that. I'm almost out of it. It's really tough to get out. Okay, so I'm using a e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush to blend that in. I'm not going to be too picky because I'm going over this with the Beauty Blender. A little bit around the nose. Okay. And now I'm going to put some of my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. It's a really good one if you want to cover and really conceal the eyelid and make your lashes, make your eyeshadow stay longer. Okay, so what I'm just going to use my finger with this. Use my finger. And then I'm going to set the entire face with powder, of course. Use my fingers to blend out the concealer. Let's make sure I take some of the foundation down my neck. Okay. Now for powder. Today I'm using the Chanel Powder Universal in the color 20 Clear Translucent 1. So, put a little in the cap, and I love the puff. The puff is really a wonderful way to apply. People say you should use a beauty blender, and that's fine too, but the puff never fails, especially if you press it into your skin, the pores get diminished, and it's a really great way to apply it. And it lasts all day. Okay, next let's try some of the bronzer. Okay. The bronzer today is one of my favorite, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in Tawny. It's a really beautiful color, gorgeous color. Okay, so let's get a bronzing brush. I usually like this one, just any bronzing brush is fine. And I start with the chin line and the neck. It's a really powerful bronzer. So, okay, that's done. I will take this and sort of diffuse it a little bit with the brush that has just clear powder on it. Okay, so that's all set. Now the blush. The blush is going to be one of my favorites. The Laura Geller Baked Soft Matte Blush in Plush Peony. Love this color, Plush Peony. Got this at TJ Maxx for a fraction of the price. Okay, it just goes right to the back of the... Okay, I had a phone call. I apologize. I'm back now. So yeah, I'm putting on some blush. Yeah, and that's a beautiful blush. Plush Peony is just a lovely color. Little on the nose. Okay, it's a peachy coral color, which tends to look good on everyone. Okay, so I put a little bit of lip balm on this morning. It was the It Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi lip balm. It's a clear product, but it's wonderful to moisturize the lips. It Cosmetics lip balm in Je ne sais quoi. Okay, so I'm going to have a corally lip today. So what I'm going to do is line the lips. Let's see, I need a closer mirror. Fine, that's great. And so just going to put in a coral lip color. This one is the Rimmel Color Rush in the color, it's a coral color. Doesn't really say, but it's a Rimmel lip crayon in a bright coral. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so now the next thing is the eyes. So here we are with the eyes. So let's get, first of all, we'll take a brown, a neutral brown. We'll put it right in. Can you see that? That brown right there. That's what we're going to use. Put it right in the crease. Love that color. That's a beautiful color. Right into the crease. Yes, very nice. And we're going to go in with the darker color. There's a darker brown right there. And then we're going to kind of put that in the corner of the eye. The corner. Okay. And then we're going to take a bright yellow, a yellowy gold, which is right here. And we're going to put that a little bit above the crease. There we go. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. I didn't even do that. Still on this one. Okay, let's do that with the other eye, too. Same brush. A little bit of the dark color. That over here. Yeah, okay, good. Let's clean this brush off. Okay, and then take the yellow. Yellow looks good. Okay, and so now we're going to take the other side of the brush to concentrate the color. And we're going to do this sort of brightish purple color. It's a beautiful purple color. It's right there. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, and then we're going to go in with the pinky, more pinky color, or peachy, I would say. It's more peachy right there in the corner of the eye. Okay, so we're going to take some of this brown here, put it on the bottom. And then some of the peach as well. There we go. And then we're going to take a little, this brush, we're going to clean it because it's concentrated. And we're going to go with a deep purple, which is right here. Do you see that? It's a very deep purple. And then we're going to just stamp it a little bit, the corner. If you want more color, you kind of stamp it on. There we go. Where's that? There it is, right there. Deep purple. How nice. Bring it so it connects. And then just a little bit more of the yellow. Get on top there is like a pretty yellow color. Goes really nicely with all the colors. So let's see. Let's see what we have here. And then let's do it. Clean the brush and let's do a brow bone highlight, which is just this color in the corner would be great for the brow bone. Maybe do a little inside, but that looks great. Let me take a look at that. Let me take a look. Okay, that's a nice looking eye. Let's before we do the eyeliner, let's do the eyebrows. So we have to brush the eyebrows. They got a lot of makeup, a lot of stuff in them. We'll use this NYX Professional Crayon in the color Ash Brown. Okay, I'm gonna have to use this mirror to do my brows. Okay, just sort of darkening them up. Okay, very good. That's done. That's done. Now we do the other one. And next, I like to use the Anastasia Brow Gel in Granite. Anastasia Brow Gel in Granite. Really does groom the brows nicely. Okay, and then I take sort of another spoolie, which is right here, and I just brush the brows really well to incorporate all the product in the brow. And yeah, that should be okay. That should work. All right, so next is just eyeliner and mascara. Today we will have the oh no, that's not the one. Okay, today's eyeliner will be the Korres Mineral Eyeliner in the color Purple. This is really nice eyeliner, nice and highly pigmented. Goes on quite easily, and it will bring, because we have purple on the eyes, we will line the eye with this. It's Beautiful purple color. Very nice. Okay, that's done. Okay, that's all set. Eyeliner on. Okay, so now to curl the eyelashes and to put on mascara should be the final thing. And then we'll assess the look and see if we need more of this or more of that. Let's see. The mascara we'll be using today is the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. Okay, perfect. The complexion looks good. Everything seems to look good. It's very springy. So thank you for joining me for this tutorial of the Ucanbe Spotlight palette found on Amazon. I will put the price of it in the description box. I hope you enjoy it if you pick it up. I think you will. There's endless possibilities of looks that you can do, and it's just a lot of fun, a lot of fun. Anyway, have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.